Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we added fields and updated the record name template of the payment object. In this video, we will create a relationship between the customer and order objects, and in addition, establish relationships between our other related objects. We will also add demo data for customers, orders, order line, and payments. Okay, let's begin by creating a new relationship between customer and order objects. Select the Customers tab, click the drop-down menu, and select Object Definition. In the menu bar, click the Relationships menu option. The page will scroll down, and the list of current relationships for the object will be visible. Click the New Relationship button. In the Related Object radio set, select Order and click Next. Accept all the defaults in the Relationship Properties section, and in the Cardinality section, select the option One Customer Item, Too Many Orders. Moving to the Orphan Record Control section, select the option Delete Order Records when a related customer record is deleted. Accept the defaults for the remaining sections of this page. Now click the Save button. OK, let's click on the Return to Classic Guitars link. We will now create relationships between our other objects, beginning with the Order to Order line. Select the Orders tab, click the drop-down menu, and select Object Definition. In the menu bar, click the Relationships menu option, and click the New Relationship button. In the Related Object radio set, select Order line, and click Next. Accept all the defaults in the Relationship Properties section, and in the Cardinality section, select the One Order to Many Order Lines option. In Orphan Record Control, select Delete Order Line Records when related order record is deleted. Now click the Save button. We will now create the relationship between the order and payment objects. In the menu bar, click the Relationships menu option, and click the New Relationship button. And in the Related Object radio set, select Payment and click Next. In the Cardinality section, select the One Order to Many Payments option. Now click the Save button. OK, let's click on the Return to Classic Guitars link. Next, we will create the relationship between the order line and catalog items. To select the order line object, click on the App selector, select App Settings, then in the top menu bar, select Objects, then click Order Line. In the menu bar, click the Relationships menu option and click the New Relationship button. In the Related Object radio set, select Catalog Item and click Next. And in the Cardinality section, select the Many Order Lines to One Catalog Item option. Now click the Save button. Let's return to the Classic Guitars main application page. Now we will enter data for customers, orders, order line, and payments. Select the Customers tab and click the Customer button. Let's enter some example data and click Save and New between each record entry. On the last entry, click the Save button before moving on. Now we will click on the Orders tab. Click on the Order button and enter some example data. And click Save and New between each record entry. On the last entry, click the Save button before moving on. OK, let's click on the Payments tab and click the Payment button. Enter some demo data and click Save and New between each entry. And finally, on the last entry, click Save. And that's it for this video. We have created relationships between customer and order, order and order line, order and payments, and order line and catalog items. We have also input some demo data into our application. In the next video, we will progress to exercise 3, where we will edit and customize the views. Thanks for watching.